friends, this is Akib and you're watching Technoboss India. So today we'll be talking about headphones. Now these have become popular in the past years mainly because most of the companies are ditching the 3.5mm headphone jack. So today I have one such product from a company called Boat. So this one is a wireless headphone. Let us check what all we get in the box and how is the headphone, how's the battery life. So this is the box what we get for the Boat Rockerz 009 wireless headphones. Let's quickly remove the box and see what comes inside. So at top you have a dedicated pouch to keep your headset. And then you have two cables. So this one is for charging and this is the aux cable. So this one is a micro USB, not a type C, and the other one you can use it for music when you don't want to use Bluetooth or your Bluetooth battery has died. So these are our headphones. Now this is a foldable headphones, which means that this one is easy to carry. You can easily put it in your backpack and not worry too much about breaking it. So as far as the design goes, it's pretty fine. I personally like the round one. Apart from folding, nothing much. It just rotates a bit, not completely. So let's take a look at controls first. So here you have a dedicated power switch and play pause, plus another button for call pick and drop, and again forward and reverse, as well as volume down, volume up. At the bottom you just have the Boat branding. So then here you have a micro USB port for charging and a 3.5mm jack to connect your phone when you don't want to use Bluetooth. And this is an LED indicator for displaying whether it's connected or it's in pairing mode. And this small dot, I'm not sure whether you're able to see it or not. This one is the earpiece. So on the other side, we don't have anything, just the Boat branding, nothing much. As far as the cushion goes on the headset, it is pretty good. So I feel this will not hurt you and you can listen to music for a longer period of time. The upper part is also fine. You have some small amount of cushion, not that much. Overall, I think the quality of the headset is good. So to increase the size of the headset, you just have to press the clips down, or you can simply pull it from both sides. Now as far as the price goes, you can get this at around 2000 rupees, which I think is a pretty good deal considering what you are getting. So in order to pair your headphone, you just have to press this and keep this pressed. So as soon as you press it for a longer time, you will see a purple light, which means that it's switched on, and then this blue and red light is blinking. I hope you're able to see this in the camera. So this means that it's in the pairing mode. Once this is paired, it will turn into blue. Now one thing which I wanted to tell you people is that this only pairs with one phone or one device. So if you want to pair it with the other one, you will have to disconnect your headset to the connected phone. As far as the battery backup goes, it should last you around 6 to 7 hours, though on the box it's written 8 hours playback and charge time 2 hours. So in my testing, it easily lasted me at around 6 to 7 hours. Now moving on to the music part, uh, this is a bass headphone. So to be honest, I loved the bass. It's very good. If you are a fan of metallic, or you like to listen to EDM or rap music, you will love it. Though I would not say that the flats are bad, those are also fine. But to be honest, if you're a bass lover, these are the headphones for you. If you want to buy these headphones, I'll leave the link in the description. So, and if you ask me, I would definitely suggest you people to go and then buy it. This is a great buy, trust me guys. When it comes to comfort, I feel these are pretty comfortable. uh, there is some sort of passive noise cancellation which blocks the outside noise. Reaching the controls is pretty easy, so you won't find it difficult. Now if you wear it for 3 to 4 hours, it's fine, but if you're planning to listen to music for a longer period of time, it may hurt your ears, but not that much. It's still fine. So this was my review for the Boat's headset. If you people like my video, please go ahead and like it, subscribe, share and comment, and do hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any videos from me. That's it from my side. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.